guys, James from Sikky Manufacturing. If you're swapping an LS into your E30 series BMW and looking for some headers to make that job easier, we've got just what you need. Let's take a closer look. These all stainless steel Sikky high performance swap headers for the LS E30 chassis were redesigned to make installation a lot easier and improve reliability. These headers are designed with CNC laser cut flanges, stainless steel, mandrel bent tubing, and high performance collectors and V-band flanges. Our headers are fully hand TIG welded and back purged to ensure ultimate reliability and strength. These headers include all the needed hardware, gaskets, V-band flanges, and clamps. These headers were designed with high performance collectors and merge bullets to have maximum airflow and increased performance. These stainless steel flanges were machined perfectly flat to ensure a leak-free seal against the cylinder head. To check out these headers and our other swap headers, go to Sikky.com or get in touch with one of our knowledgeable sales reps to get yours today.